हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू क्रिएटर प्लस। चलिए देखते हैं कैसा रहा आज के मार्केट का परफॉर्मेंस। तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, निफ्टी 50 18,101.20 पे आज की क्लोजिंग है, प्लस 241.75 अंक में, और परसेंटेज में 1.35%। और अगर हम मार्केट का डायरेक्शन देखें तो आप देख सकते हैं मार्केट का डायरेक्शन, जहां मॉर्निंग से ही ये कुछ इस तरह से रहा कि ऊपर की तरफ ही रहा और इस लेवल पे गया। बट इस लेवल पे आके सर यहाँ पे डायरेक्शन चेंज हुआ और यहाँ पे गया नीचे की तरफ और वापसी किया फिर से, और यहाँ इस लेवल पे क्लोजिंग है। अगर हम परफॉर्मेंस देखें तो ओपन एट 70,952.55, प्रीवियस क्लोज 17,859.45, टुडेज लो 17,936.15 एंड हाई 18,141.40। तो पिछली वीडियो में हमने देखा था कि वो 17,000 से नीचे चला गया था मार्केट, और प्रीवियस क्लोज में भी है कि 17,859.45 पे, और आज फिर से वापस ये 18,141.40 पे चला गया हाई। अगर हम गेनर्स एंड लूजर्स का ग्रुप देखें तो 50 में से 44 अंडर एडवांसर्स एंड 6 अंडर डिक्लाइनर्स, एंड इन 44 32 अंडर 0 to 2% एंड 12 अंडर 2 to 5%. In decliners 5 under 2 -2 to 0% and 1 under -5 to 2% group. If we look at stock wise, then you can see in gainers list Mahindra and Mahindra at the first position with plus 3.59%, then Tata Consultancy Services 3.38, SL Technology 3.35, IndusInd Bank 3.11. All these four above 3%, and then Tech Mahindra 2.95, SBI Life Insurance 2.94, Bharti Airtel 2.94, Wipro 2.57, Infosys 2.48, Reliance Industry 2.36, UPL 2.23, Axis Bank 2.01, all these in 2 to 3% group range. And then Tata Motors 1.95, JSW Steel 1.92, Hindustan Unilever 1.85, Hindalco Industry 1.75, L&T Larsen Turbo 1.68, Tata Steel 1.64, Dr. Reddy's Laboratory 1.46, Kotak Bank 1.40, Adani Ports 1.31, State Bank of India 1.17, Cipla 1.03, Nestle India 1.01. All these in 1 to 2% range in plus side, and below 1% there are NTPC, Sun Pharmaceutical, Adani Enterprises, HDFC, Ultratech Cement, Tata Consumer Products, Davis Laboratory, Bharat Petroleum, ONGC, Power Grid, Apollo Hospital, ICICI Bank, Acer Motor, Hero Motocorps, Coal India, Bajaj Finance, Asian Paints, HDFC Bank, and Britannia Industry. Britannia Industry at the end with plus 0.12%. This is a gainers list, and if we look at losers list, then you can see at the first position Titan with minus 2.11%, then Bajaj Finserv minus 1.14, Bajaj Auto 0.59, HDFC Life 0.52, Grasim Industry 0.42, and at the end Maruti Suzuki India 0.07%. Then you can see only one Titan is minus 2.11, and this is big. And then Bajaj Finserv again in losers list with minus 1.14, and others below 1%. If we look at technical chart of Nifty 50, then you can see the today's market direction in technical chart. From here, from in morning, market opened here, and direction is a bullish in this movement, you can see. And here market changed the direction and goes at this level, but suddenly change the direction and going upside, and currently is this direction. Yes, at the end two red candle appeared, but this is showing that maybe tomorrow market will be in upside. And actually candles direction showing that market is going upside. But if we look at by the all the indicators, it says that lagging span is moving below side. Actually this is depend on the last movement of price, and actually last red candle appearing at the last movement, therefore lagging span is showing in negative direction, and blue line in upside cross with crossing red line, and candle crossing a cloud and going upside, and RSI at the 55 in 20 to 80 range, and this is showing that maybe tomorrow market will be upside, but let's see what's happening tomorrow. This is Nifty 50 today's performance. And if we look at BSE Sensex, then you can see BSE Sensex 60,747.31 today's closing, with plus 846.94, in percentage 1.41%, and you can see the direction of today's BSE Sensex from morning. Yes, direction going upside and in this level, and from this level going in downside, but again is going upside, and this is bullish market overall. And if we look at performance, overall performance, then you can see open at 60,147.07 and previous close 59,937, and today's low 60,109.94 and high 60,889.41. तो BSE सेंसेक्स भी पिछले वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था, तो ये भी 59 के लेवल पे चला गया था 60,000 से नीचे, बट आज फिर से अगेन ये ऊपर गया 60,000 के ऊपर, और अच्छा बढ़त के साथ क्लोजिंग है. If you look at gainers and losers group, then you can see in a 30, 27 under advancers and only 3 under decliners, and in 27, 17 under 0 to 2% range and 10 under 2 to 5% range, and in decliner 2 under minus 2 to 0% and 1 under minus 5 to 2%. If we look at stock wise, then you can see in gainers list again Mahindra and Mahindra at the first position with plus 3.59%, then SL Technology plus 3.37, Tata Consultancy Services plus 3.35, IndusInd Bank plus 3.06, all these above 3%, and again 4 and in this range 3 to 4%. And after that Tech Mahindra plus 2.92, Bharti Airtel 2.69, Wipro 2.50, Infosys 2.46, Reliance Industry 2.34, Axis Bank 2.02. All these in a 2 to 3% group range, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this range. And below 2%, there are Hindustan Unilever plus 1.77, Tata Steel 1.64, L&T Large and Turbo 1.61, Kotak Bank 1.40, Dr. Reddy's Laboratory 1.26, State Bank of India 1.13. All these in 1 to 2% range. And below this, ITC plus 0.88, NTPC 0.80, Ultratech Cement 0.77, HDFC 0.77, Sun Pharmaceutical 0.73, Nestle India 0.59, Power Grid 0.43, ICICI Bank 0.41, HDFC Bank 0.19, and at the end Asian Paints 0.12 percentage in plus side in gainers list. And if we look at losers list, then you can see in losers list Titan at the first position with minus 2.12%, then Bajaj Finserv 1.21% in negative, and Maruti Suzuki India minus 0.09%. These all three in losers list. If we look at technical chart of BSE Sensex, then you can see the today's direction in technical chart of BSE Sensex. From morning, market is a bullish till this position. Again and again, yes, for a correction some red candle appeared, but this is a bullish till this position, and from here direction changed in negative side, but again market is a bullish, and currently we can say that market is in a bullish direction, and maybe tomorrow it will be in a upside. But if we look at Lagrange span, it's saying that market will go in negative side. Actually, two candle is appearing at the end, red candle, and blue line and red line at the middle of cloud, but candle is crossing the cloud and going upside, and RSI at the 54 in 20 to 80 range. And overall, this is today's BSE Sensex performance. And if we look at other markets, market indexes in NSE changes, then you can see Nifty IT at the first position with 2.83%. As we seen in both Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex, there was majority of IT stocks in plus side with majority. And again we can see here in indexes list that Nifty IT at the first position with 2.83%, then Nifty India Digital 1.65, Nifty Metal 1.43, Nifty 50 1.35, Nifty 100 1.30, Nifty 100 ESG 1.27, Nifty 200 1.26, Nifty Auto 1.23, Nifty 500 1.17, Nifty India Manufacturing 1.16, Nifty Total Market 1.15, Nifty PSU Bank 1.14. All these with above than 1% in plus side in NSE indexes, and others below 1%. And you can see in below 1% range Nifty Mid Cap 100, Nifty Bank, Nifty Private Bank, Pharma, FMCG, Mid Cap 50, Mid Cap 100, Next 50, Financial Services, Mid Cap Select, Realty, Mid Cap 150, Quality 50, Nifty Small Cap 100, Nifty Media, Nifty Micro Cap 250, Small Cap 250, all in a plus side. And at the end you can see the percentage small cap 250 at the end, but with a plus 0.40%. and this is not few, this is a good percentage in a plus side. And you can see India VIX in a minus 2.53 in negative, but when India VIX in negative, market in positive. Always you can see this trend. If we look at BSE indexes, then you can see again BSE Tech and BSE IT at the top position. BSE Tech plus 2.61, BSE IT plus 2.54, and then BSE Power 1.79, BSE Utility 1.56, BSE Metal 1.51, BSE Sensex 1.41, BSE Energy 1.38, BSE Sensex 1.33, BSE Large Cap 1.31, BSE Large Cap 100 TMC 1.29, BSE Capital Goods 1.28, BSE 100 1.24, BSE 200 1.24, BSE Large Mid Cap 250 1.22, BSE 500 1.17, BSE Auto 1.16, BSE All Cap 1.15, BSE Industrials 1.13, BSE Oil and Gas 1.13, BSE Bharat 2020 1.08, BSE Bank X 1.06. And today's lots of in plus side in above than 1% group, and you can see, and in this list two above 2%, and both is tech and IT. And if we look at below 1% group, in below 1% range, then you can see in this Mid Cap Select, Mid Cap Healthcare, Basic Material, Telecom, FMCG, Mid Cap 150, Finance, Mid Cap Small Cap 400, Sensex Next 50, Small Cap Select, Small Cap 250, Small Cap Realty, Consumer Discretionary Goods and Services, and only one in negative, BSE Consumer Durable with a minus 0.82%. And in plus side at the end is a 0.43 consumer discretionary goods and services, and this is again not few, yeah, this is good. तो ये है बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है सभी इंडेक्सेस का अगर देखें तो। अगर हम एक एक डिस्कस करें एनएससी और बीएससी से, तो इन एनएससी we are going to discuss Nifty IT. Actually Nifty IT at the first position with a plus 2.83%, and this is a very good performance. And you can see the market direction फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग कि यहाँ पे आया और इसी लेवल पे कारोबार करता हुआ, जहाँ निफ्टी 50 एंड बीएसई सेंसेक्स वी सीन दैट बोथ at this position was going below low side in a negative direction, but in Nifty IT nothing like that. This is going again upside, again bullish, more bullish from this position. And if we look at performance, then you can see open at 28,134.05, previous close 27,956.45, today's low 28,134.05 and high 28,780. And if we look at gainers and losers group, then you can see in 10 total 10 in advancers and 0 in decliners, and in 10 2 under 0 to 2% ग्रुप एंड 8 अंडर 2 to 5% ग्रुप. तो इसी से पता चलता है कि आज कितना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस रहा, कि जहां 8 है ऐसे जो कि 2 से 5% ग्रुप में है प्लस साइड में. And if you look at stock wise, there are nothing in losers, and you can see in gainers list Persistence Systems at the first position with plus 3.71%, then Tata Consultancy Services plus 3.38, SCL Technology plus 3.35, Conforge Limited plus 2.98, Tech Mahindra plus 2.95, Wipro plus 2.57, Infosys plus 2.48, Larsen Turbo Infotech plus 2.33, L&T Technology Services plus 1.28 and Mphasis plus 1.10. And you can see that नथिंग बिलो 1%, कि एक भी ऐसा नहीं है कि जो कि 1% से कम हो. सबसे मिनिमम क्या है 1.10%. तो बहुत ही अच्छा आज परफॉर्मेंस है. एंड ओनली 2 इन दिस रेंज 1 to 2%, एंड 1 2 3 4 5 इन 2 to 3% एंड 3 अंडर 3 to 4% रेंज. एंड इन लूजर्स कोई है ही नहीं. तो ये है BSE IT का आज का परफॉर्मेंस. And if we discuss one from BSE, then in BSE indexes changes, actually we have discussed BSE NSE IT, then we are going to discuss BSE Power. You can see BSE Power with plus 1.79% and closes at 4,390.27 plus 77.17. And you can see the market direction, today's direction, be a bullish market. And you can see from morning opening in at this position and going here, and then changes the direction, and but suddenly from this level goes upside and more bullish, you can see, and closes at this position. If we look at performance, then you can see open at 4,333.79, previous close 4,313.10, today's low 4,333.79, and this is also opening level, and इससे कम गया ही नहीं कभी. And today's high 4,398.20. And if we look at gainers and losers group, then you can see in total 11, 10 under advancers and 1 under decliners, and in 10 8 under 0 to 2% group and 2 under 2 to 5%, and in decliners only 1, and that is under minus 2 to 0% group. And if you look at stock wise, then you can see in gainers list Adani Transmission at the first position with plus 3.77%, Adani Green Energy plus 2.92, JSW Energy plus 1.90, Adani Power 1.48, NTPC 0.80. Then you can see there are 4 above 1% and 2 in 1 to 2% range, and 1 in 2 to 3%, and 1 in 3 to 4%, and in this 4, 3 is Adani Group's stocks, and this is a very good performance. And others, if we look at others below 1%, NTPC 0.80, ABB 0.72, Torrent Power 0.60, Siemens 0.59, Power Grid 0.43, and Tata Power 0.37, and this is lowest 0.37 Tata Power. If you look at losers list, then you can see in losers NHPC minus 0.51%. In losers, there are only one. And this is BSC Power today's performance. If we look at maximum gainers and losers in mover all and changes, then you can see RKEC Projects Limited 20%, Bharat Gears 19.99, BCL Industry 19.99, Prozone into Properties 18.30, JFL Life Sciences 17.44, कुछ इस तरह के हैं जो कि 20% के करीब के हैं बढ़त वाले मैक्सिमम गेनर्स अगर हम देखें तो. एंड इन दिस लिस्ट Tourism Finance Corp at the end with plus 8.47%. This is top gainers. And if we look at top losers, all already selected and changes. Then at the first position, Bombay Matrix SC Limited minus 73.75, Senco Industry Limited 18.38, SEL Manufacturing Company Limited 14.47, BLV 9.59. All this is maximum losers, and in this list at the end, Mass Investments minus 4.95%. This is a losers list, and this is top gainers and top losers today's list. Overall, this is today's market performance. Hope this video will be helpful for you, and आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक जरूर करें और अपना सुझाव कमेंट बॉक्स में देना ना भूलें. वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद. आपका दिन शुभ हो. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.